What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen rotation issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here you can here first add the screen rotation icon. So tap on this edit button and here look for the rotation icon, and after adding this lock orientation, tap on the save button and now turn on and off screen orientation 2 to 3 times, and after that the screen rotation will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for sensor test app. Now install this sensor test app and then tap on open and then run a test of accelerometer. Now rotate your screen to check if your sensor is working properly or not. So to run a test, if you don't know how to do it, then you can tap on this question mark and then it will show you the instructions. So tilt the device, the ball should follow the curve, and put device horizontally, value should be 9.8. So here the value should be 9.8. So that's how you can test for your sensor. So if your sensor is not working properly, then you can replace the sensor, and after that the screen rotation issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.